we want to dwell on our facilitators and CEOs because the previous years have dealt with quizzes among the learners. So this year, we decided to assist those who helped the learners in making their grades. This year's theme, Dr. Chairman, is using creativity and innovation to enhance academic work in our schools. Hence, the theme for the awards was couched from the academic theme, empowering minds, nurturing creativity and innovation in the Anglican schools, which resonates deeply with our mission, which propels us to admit that education should not only impact knowledge, but to inspire learners to think critically in order to innovate fearlessly. Each award presented today is a testament to their commitment to excellence and their potential to make a significant impact in their communities and beyond. Dr. Chairman, let me express my profound gratitude to all my indefatigable district, municipal, and metro directors for their wonderful support and collaboration with the unit.